Welcome to today's news update. Here are the 5 top stories we are covering. Welcome to the channel. Before we begin today's update, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications for all our future tech updates. Rocket Bell. Report: Intel is testing production of some iPhone, iPad and Mac chips. Intel has begun small-scale testing of Apple-designed chips for lower-end iPhone, iPad and Mac models, with production expected to increase through 2027 and 2028. Apple is using Intel's 18A process and evaluating its advanced node technologies, while TSMC will continue to supply over 90 of Apple's chips. The move could strengthen Apple's supply chain and align with US manufacturing goals, though Intel's role is limited to fabrication, not design. Election season is almost here. Congress is rushing to legislate first. Congress is preparing to pass bipartisan legislation before midterm election campaigning intensifies. Lawmakers have expressed readiness to set aside partisan differences to advance key bills ahead of the upcoming election season. Researchers found an innovative way to cut data center energy use. Researchers have developed a new manufacturing technique called electrochemical additive manufacturing, ecam, to create more efficient copper cold plates for data center cooling. The innovation delivers up to 32 better cooling performance and reduces pressure drop by 68 compared to conventional systems. This direct-to-chip cooling method could significantly reduce energy consumption in data centers as chip power demands continue to grow. The findings were published in Cell Reports Physical Science. Snapdragon C is here to power $300 Windows laptops, undercutting the MacBook Neo. Qualcomm has announced the Snapdragon C chipset for Windows laptops, targeting devices priced at $300 or more. The chip is designed for mainstream use in classrooms, small businesses and family devices, potentially undercutting the MacBook Neo. Acer has unveiled the first laptop featuring this processor, though pricing and availability remain unconfirmed. Unlike previous Snapdragon X processors, the C variant uses Cryo CPU cores instead of custom Orion cores. SpaceX pitches itself as integrated interplanetary proto-monopolist in IPO filing. SpaceX has filed for its initial public offering, positioning itself as a vertically integrated space technology company capable of manufacturing rockets, satellites, and data center infrastructure in-house. The company claims its unique approach to extreme vertical integration allows it to build and deploy systems faster than competitors while reducing supply chain dependencies. SpaceX argues that its combination of reusable rocket technology, Starlink satellite networks, and orbital data center capabilities positions it as the only company capable of enabling interplanetary human expansion. The IPO filing emphasizes the company's manufacturing speed and cost advantages, despite ongoing financial losses and project delays. Thanks for watching. Please do like, subscribe, and share your comments and feedbacks below. We love hearing from you. Thumbs up speech balloon. That's all for today's news. Stay informed and I will see you in the next update.